guys, today we are going to fry some Bofrot dry puff puff. Charlie, you are going to love it, Ankasa. The recipe is easy. You can make it as ABCD. You are going to love every bit of it. It tastes so good. And so, hey, before we go on, please, if you know you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. As I'm using a mixture of hard and soft flour. I'm using 3 cups each, making 6 cups, and I added 3 tablespoons of yeast, and I added 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of nutmeg, 4 tablespoons of non-dairy milk powder. And so I'll mix everything together, and then the next thing is I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt. And then I'm also going to add my wet ingredients. And so half cup of cooking oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and then a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Yes. And so we are going to mix everything together. Yes. And I'm going to put the spoon aside, and then I'm going to use my hand. So we are going to get a bit messy, and I'm using lukewarm water for this to help activate the yeast very well. And so we'll be adding the water bit by bit till we form a dough. And so at this point I'm going to place my chopping board, add some flour, spread it well, and I'm going to bring the dough out and knead it very well. When you knead it very well, you get a very beautiful outcome when you fry it. So this, you don't need any serious professional guidance. Just be playing with the dough. Do you get it? Like what I'm doing, be playing with it like this till you realize that the dough is getting smooth. So what I do is, when I realize that the thing is becoming sticky on the board, then I just apply a bit of flour. But at a point I decided to stop applying the flour and started using oil. Okay, so apply some oil in the bowl, put in the dough. I'm going to cover with a plastic rubber, a plastic whatever bag, a plastic bag. Tie it very well, keep it at a warm place for 30 minutes for the dough to relax and also rise. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So after the 30 minutes, I have it out. I'm going to take the plastic bag from it, and we are going to knead it a little, and then I'll apply flour on my chopping board, bring out the dough, and we are going to divide them into the sizes that we want. Hey, this thing is like fufu. Okay, so I have my flour over there, and I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts, and then I'm going to start dividing them small. Please, if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, those who watch my video and comment, those who share. Nana, you're free, because you're free. Thank you, Jackie, and the others. God bless you for watching my videos and sharing for me. Please keep on sharing, watching, leave a comment, ask questions and all that. Okay, so just divide them. So this is what I have. I got about 33 pieces, and so I'm going to take it one after the other, and then knead it a little, and then mold it into a round shape. Don't worry if you are not able to get a perfect round. Don't worry, with time you'll be fine. So this is how I do it, and then I'll take it into my palm and then try and make it round in my palm. You can also do that one on the board. So I have a plate with flour in it, and so I'll just be doing everything that way and be arranging it on the serving plate. Yes. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, click on the subscribed button and also click on the notification bell. So this is it. The first, I'm going to apply flour on it. I'm going to sprinkle flour on it, and then I'll cover with my cloth. This is the flour cloth. Yes, cover with it. I'll bring out a second batch also, and also cover it with a nut pin the same way. Yes, and I'm going to take it to the sun. So I took it to the sun for about 1 hour 30 minutes, and this is it after the 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes, I left it in the sun for 1 hour 30 minutes. So I have my oil hot on fire, so you'll be dropping it one after the other. You have to be careful when you are lifting it from the plate, the serving plate, because it can you can spoil the shape if you don't lift it well. And when you start dropping it also, you have to give it attention. This one, I forgot myself and I was talking to a brother, and so I nearly burnt my puff. So this is it. So don't just leave it and then go and stand somewhere. Be giving it attention, and when you see that it has turned to golden brown like this, then you start taking it out of the oil. Yes, so you take everything. So we'll take everything out and we'll keep on frying the other one. So you see the method, very easy. I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box, okay, so you can screenshot and also give it a try, and you will love it. Once a while you do this for yourself when you are home, like Sundays like this. Yes. So I'll still be dropping some in. Yes, to be dropping some in. Please subscribe for me, like and share this video also for me. So I have a paper towel in a serving plate. I'll pour what I have in my sieve or colander on it so that I can dry the oil, excess oil, very well. Okay, so we are going to take the rest on fire also. Yes, take everything out. So my Bofrot or puff puff, you can see the sizes are not equal. Yeah, it was intentional to make some small and some big. Yeah, this one is for family consumption. No, it's not for sales. I'm not selling. Okay, so this is it. This is it. You see, and I decided to bake 4 out of it. So I baked some instead of frying. I decided to bake it, and so this is bread. So basically, dry Bofrot or dry puff puff is fried bread. Do you get it? So this is our Bofrot, our dried Bofrot. Yes, looking all sumptuous and ready to be devoured. It's so nice. And you know, in Ghana, this goes with groundnuts. Charlie, let's break into one for you to see. It goes with groundnuts. You can't enjoy this without groundnuts unless you don't have it around you. And so this is it. And hey, have you tried puff puff with chilled Milo before? Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.